Alright, we're going to clean some eels. This is our cooler from last night. There's a couple of live ones in there. There's 3 that are still alive. So come over here to the sink. This is the big one we caught last night. Just give you an idea how big they are. You got that?
Yeah.
It's a big eel. I'll show you. After cleaning a few, I got pretty much a system that I do. Stick your finger in the little incision, then you just slice her open. Shouldn't take me too long. I should be able to skin it with my bare hands too. Cut it right up to the top. Right up to the top of the mouth.
Daddy, there's that pool.
Rinse it out a bit. Then you want to cut into the tail because there's a blood vessel. There's a blood bag at the end of the tail. Just look.
What's this?
Alright.
Right, guys?
I like starting at the end of the tail. It's easier to clean. Once you get that vein out, everything comes out. Get away. Get away.
Yeah?
See that little blood bag right here? Stick your finger under it. Hey, get away.
Is it bloody? Whoa!
Stick your finger under it. Like that.
What? What?
Try to pull out the vein one shot.
Shot?
There, see that vein coming out? And all I gotta do is pull all this stuff out. Like that. See that? Comes right off.
Oh!
Guts come right out. Take these little blood vessels out. Make it nice and clean. Now, we caught these last night, so they're pretty fresh. Usually I take these little blood vessels out with the guts, but sometimes they stay on there.
Don't on the way. Where's Spinach? Stick it snake.
This is a big one too.
What? For her. Good.
Hey, you're not looking.
What is this?
Bleeding.
Put it later.
No, so don't put that in your mouth again.
What? Wipe your really mouth.
Alright, the blood vessels are out. Now this is the trick.
Yeah, Daddy showed me to watch a trick. He did.
Go in the gill.
Let's go to
Go
Gil.
through to the other side.
Go try to the
Go in the other gill.
other Gil.
You want to cut them on the gill because it's easier to skin them from there. Just like that.
Cut him in Gil.
Then you cut through the bone, through the head. And you don't want to go too deep because you'll cut the skin and then you won't be able to skin them.
Does he have skin? This is a trick, right, Daddy? Daddy,
What you want to do is take the skin off on the corners. I like going on the corners. It makes it easier to skin. See, once you start getting the corners out,
Stop.
Hey,
see how that skin's coming off?
get Jenny to.
Hey guys,
Stop it.
take the skin off
Stop.
on the corners.
Spiders. No. Is that good?
No, it's her thumb.
Huh? All done?
Some people use newspaper to get the skin off,
Move!
but I've been doing this for a while now, so
You can't see.
I can do it with my hands.
Peter! Peter? Hard. It's hard. Skinny.
See that?
Yeah. Yeah, Peter, he's flaky. No, it's not the really skin.
That's how you skin an eel.
Okay, I'm recording.
Press the button.
This is going on. This?
What